Alright, we're back. It's the next morning. Let's just get going. Taking out the front strut bar, which is by GT spec, and the OEM braces, and my plan is to paint these green. I'll leave this chrome, but I'm gonna paint this. As you can see, it used to be like the steel blue, but it started fading into, well, it's almost yellow now. It looks like it's just glare, but that's the actual color, is that yellow. So let's take this apart. Holy crap. Damn, son, that's strong. One sec. Awesome. Alright, so we got the pieces off. So we'll clean these up, choose a small corner, and set up a small paint booth for us to turn these green. Yeah, over the years, you can actually see the discoloration. Yeah, I'm excited. Starting to look like a real mess. In need of my ice caps. Can't start my day without caffeine. Also, before you do start any painting, you might want to wipe down the object with some isopropyl, just to make sure that the surface is completely clean of any oils or grease. Yeah, here's my makeshift booth. I'm using this wire, so hopefully, this works. Now, we can proceed to the painting. So, what I've decided is, before I paint these ones green, I'm gonna spray primer on it, turn it completely white. For these ones, however, I might just anodize them straight up with that green spray paint that I have. I'm hoping for some sort of aqua teal finish. So about 3 or 4 coats later, we're just gonna let these dry up. Now we can move on to these things. So we're gonna set it up just the same, but we are gonna spray paint it straight with this stuff. I'm on my 3rd coat right now, but while we're waiting for that to dry, I have a new battery for this thing. I haven't installed it yet, so maybe we can do that today too. This thing is going to be replacing that one. It's gonna look a lot more empty back here. I mean, it already does. BRZs and 86s give you a lot of room in the engine bay. I think it's time for the last final coat on this guy. That's why I love this green stuff. It's just like, it's an anodizer. You don't have to primer what you're painting. You just put it straight on. You can paint chrome, metal, anything really. But we're gonna be using this same green on the white primered braces, and you're gonna see exactly how much brighter it's gonna be if you put this on top of a white base. Time to replace this battery. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how to do it. This is the FT86 Speed Factory lightweight racing battery. I mean, it comes with all the pieces you're gonna need. Let's quickly put this together, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So you have the base plate, supporting rods. This is what's gonna hold our batteries in place, and of course, battery tie down. And these guys, terminal attachments. So these 2 gold things are extra spacers. This is if you want to mount the terminal on the side, but we're not going to be doing that. So pretty simple. need that no more. Yo, I've been looking for this for 2 years. So to be able to put down the base for the new battery, there is this one 10mm bolt that you have to take out. All right, now I'm gonna go in and install the supporting rods. There's a longer thread on this side. The shorter end goes down into the hole where you took the bolt out. Right, and once that's in, you can put down the base. There's a sticker that says which side is the front, but it looks pretty universal to me. Put down the battery. And then this one with the hook actually goes on this side. Alright, just like that. Now you can put your battery tie down. We'll actually be using the OEM bolts. So take those off. So this is what it should look like. There's so much room for it. We're going from one side to the other while we wait for paint to dry, and we're just cleaning it, tucking in wires where they need to be tucked. It's gonna look super clean after this. We also got the gritty dampeners installed. Hey. For you FRS BRZ owners, this is where I put the supporting bracket. And I'll show you guys how it functions. It's pretty cool, but it brings your hood up pretty high. Awesome, dude. We're about to start painting these green. These turned out really good. It's a good shade of green. Woohoo! Minty fresh. Alright, we've been here for quite some time now. I'm just waiting for paint to dry. So I'm gonna take a break and we're gonna visit our friends at 8 Auto Accessories. Alright, so we're here. These guys are literally just down the street. These guys specialize in wraps and detailing. So obviously, this is one of theirs. It's that color shifting wrap. Here we are. 8 Auto Accessories. That's ridiculous, bro. Just put it back together, looking clean. Hey, we're closed.
Are you?
Yeah, no more customers allowed.
Okay, I'll go home.
Okay, and scene. Here's a status update on the painting. This actually came out a lot darker than I thought it would. I like it. It's like a forest green, and in the right light, you get that yellow tinge. And also, here's the braces. So to finish these up, I'm gonna spray paint them with gloss. Maybe like 2 coats to make them super shiny and to protect them from scratches. Put it together and then we'll put them back in the engine bay. Now, as you can see, since these were primered first, they are a lot brighter in green, and this is actually the same exact color that my lower control arms are. They're SPC lower control arms, kind of hard to see even driving behind me. We go upstairs. peeled off the blue tape. The stairs look super clean now. Yeah. Now, just gotta paint this white and try to clean up some of this wall with the white paint as well. I tried to wipe it down, didn't work. Alright, let's see how these turned out. This is the next day, and now I'm back at the garage. Waited the full 24 hours for these to cure. I think we're ready to put these back in the car. They turned out, dude. And then, this is completely dry too. Show you guys how this turned out. Green. Beautiful. Now to put everything back together. So I'd say this is pretty much complete for now. I'm just waiting on a couple more pieces before we get started on the custom intake. I mean, there's still so much for me to do on this car before I even consider it close to being show ready. It's the waiting on parts, really. Oh, I have one special part coming in. It's a special edition secret, and they only made 150 of these in the entire world. Really stoked to install this thing in my car. It might actually take a couple months though. For now, I think I'm gonna end this video here. I just wanted to finish this up and show you guys what it kind of looks like. I still have to do the rest of the gold on the hood. I got lazy halfway, and that's how my mind works, I guess. If I'm doing one thing for too long, I get bored easily. I'm gonna end this video here. Guys, for any Calgary locals, I am going to be announcing the grand opening. Follow us on Instagram at KingsMasterized to get a note on exactly when our Wave 5 drop happens. This is our anniversary drop, and I'm excited to show you guys all the new items that we've been working on these past couple of months. I've been super busy, just balancing my life between the art and the car stuff and the vlogs. It gets difficult at times, but at the same time, it's motivation for me to just push myself, you know, just jump off the cliff sometimes. That is the motto for this channel, is no hesitation. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that sub button, drop a like, and I will see you guys on the next vlog.